Hello everyone. Today we are here to discuss on how social media affects the mental health of an individual which could lead to the suicidal attempts. All of us are social creatures. Being a social creature, we need to connect to the people around us. Social media is that platform where we can connect to the people very easily and quickly. Today all can see my this video. How? This is all because of social media. From the estimate statistics shown on the graph in the year 2018 revealed 2.6 billion people constantly using social media worldwide. And this statistics also project to increase an estimate of 3.2 billion people constantly using social media in the year of 2021. Social media topped the list of a most popular online activity. But here comes an irony. Social media being so helpful affects our mental health. Some of the behaviors found in an individual, like worthlessness, hopelessness, neglect of personal welfare, social withdrawal and isolation, overwhelmed feeling of pain, anxiety, irritability, suicidal ideation, suicidal attempts, all these are suicide related behaviors which are found in an individual. The increase in suicidal rates in the graph shown. Suicide among the teenagers from the age 12 to 17 years from the year 2000 to 2015. Here, between 2010 to 2015, there is so much increase in the slope of the graph shows the worst conditions of the suicidal rates in the teen. The other graphs with the dotted lines also shows the teens in depression. Excess use of social media definitely leads to mental problems. Some mainly suffers from anxiety, loneliness, depression, affects one's self-esteem. Also, the sacrificing sleep and exercise leads to poor mental health conditions. Social media use has also been associated with cyberbullying and cyber abuse by an anonymous users online. Cyberbullying is also a online bullying. Almost one-fifth of the bullying occurs through social media. Almost the estimate shows that 19.2% bullying occurs through social media sites, 11% by text messages, 7.9% through video games, 6.8% via non social media websites, and 3.3% through emails. Another societal risk factor is social image dissatisfaction. It is the negative thought of towards own body. Teens quickly get influenced by what they watch on social media, the sort of image portrayed by celebrities, and social media influences plays a huge role in influencing the young people. Another societal risk factor is substance abuse. Recent study shows that 75% of the teenagers seeing photographs on social media networking sites of other young people drinking alcohol and smoking weeds encourage them to experiment in the same way. One in two respondents reported the social media made them feel like it was okay and normal to try drugs. From all the researches and the reports suggest the people who use social media the most were about 2.7 times more likely to be depressed than the participants who use social media the least. Now the question arises how to cope up with the issue and what all preventive measures should be taken to reduce the number of hours online by the teenagers. Distracting from social media will make an individual physically and mentally fit. Now, what to do if a person says they are considering suicide? Take the person seriously, stay with them, help them to remove lethal means, call the National Suicide Prevention's Lifetime, also take them to the trained counselor, which will help them to move out from such conditions. We all know anything to excess is harmful. Suicidal activities are the major issues that need to be taken seriously in the society. With this, I thank you all for watching the video. Stay safe, stay healthy.